How to turn off Facebook memories. If you don't want to see reminders from the past popping up on Facebook, you can turn off memories right from the mobile app. Start by opening Facebook and tapping the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, usually in the bottom right corner. From there, scroll down and tap on Memories. Once you're on the Memories page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Memory Settings. Here you'll find the section labeled Notifications. Tap on it and you'll see three options: All Memories, Highlights, or None. To stop receiving memory notifications altogether, select None. This will prevent Facebook from reminding you about past posts, events, or interactions through notifications. Whether you want a break from nostalgia or just want to avoid seeing certain reminders, adjusting your Facebook memory settings is a simple way to take control of what shows up in your feed. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.